let's shred a little bit here, huh? Huh? Quick 84.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this shit for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on.
Alright, what's up YouTube? MattyVtv back at you with MotoVlog number 2, I believe. Not really sure, I haven't really started editing any of my stuff, but been filming a crap ton. This guy's got a sweet whip in here. Working on it today, huh? Alright, I usually try to be pretty quiet in my neighborhood because I don't know, respectful. I mean, I know I can do whatever the fuck I want, but I usually try to be pretty quiet in my neighborhood with my exhaust because it's freaking loud, but when I have my earplugs in, like, I don't really realize how loud I'm being, and sometimes I think I'm way too loud for whatever. Woo! Good to be back on 2! That breeze, man, feels freaking amazing! I really hope this is picking up my audio. So I haven't gotten the media mod in. The GoPro 9 just does not want to work with the normal 3.5 jack. It can work, but like literally like 1% of the time. Even though they said that it's with the newest update supposed to work, but it shit don't work. They just want you to buy the fucking media mod. GoPro, you pieces of shit. I'm just kidding, I love you guys. Even though the media mod's probably gonna work way easier and less bulky without the 3.5 jack and everything, but still, like, come on, man. Woo! Right at the end of the lake there, it's 10 degrees cooler. It has to be. The breeze coming off the lake there is absolutely freezing. I don't know what the hell the signs. I don't know. Let's not even bother. Alright, let's take a left here. Woo! Get the gloves matching the shirt. Let's go! Matching the bike. Woo! Biker gang, what up, homie? Right here. Should I give him a wave? He ain't about it. Two-wheel without a motor ain't about it, I guess. Let's go over here. Putting in work. I need to put some work in, boys. That's what I need to do. I'm putting work in right here. Oh, gym class out walking? Yeah, man. Remember those days. I miss it. Oh, chilly. I knew I should have wore a hoodie today. Ow! What the fuck? A bug just smoked me in the chest. That fucking hurt. A little bit chilly out here today. Woo! 60 degrees with on a bike. Ain't that warm. To be honest, I don't really have a plan for this video. I didn't really think through what to talk about or anything. We're just kind of winging it here. Like, I need to practice editing, so I just need to get some clips. That's a tiny dog. Holy crap. That whip. That thing's a boat. This thing is the size of a boat. Holy shit. Some old cars, like old sedans, those things were monstrous. They just keep getting smaller and smaller. And all vehicles are, besides trucks, I feel like. Well, not really. That ain't true. That thing. Speak of a big-ass car. Look at that thing. Free t-shirt. Let's go get some blood. Little kid. The little kid was hype. Little kids love bikes, man. They fucking love them. Looking at little kid's face when you go buy a bike literally is the best thing ever. Shotty on her phone over there. Get off that shit. You gonna hit someone like me. Hello. This thing fucking slurps up the gas, man. Oh! Shifted the wrong way there. Wrong direction. Meant to go to fourth, went to second. Dude is passed the fuck out. Saw that shit? Fake call. No, new smoke shop just came in. I drove by it earlier. Sheriff, I have never seen a sheriff car looking like that. What the fuck? That can't be our county. Oswego County? It ain't our county. Oh my god, man. Feels good. Ain't no better feeling than two wheels. Besides one. Let's get it. Slide. Let's go slide. Shit. Thought that was me beeping for a second. There's a truck backing up. I was like, where the hell is that coming from? Boys, I'm gonna be so fucking happy if this is actually recording. It'll make my day. Cause I gotta go write a paper later, and if I gotta deal with this fucking amazing MotoVlog not being recorded, I'll just go fucking cry instead. Then I'll fail my paper, and I'll probably fail my class, and then I'll just probably go homeless, but we can talk about that another day. Yeehaw! We'll go down this street, Anna Street. I love that color of that Cherokee right there, that Grand Cherokee. I love that gray. Oh, same color of that Jeep. Look at the dope porch. Oh god, what are you taking so long for? Fucking move! Look at that guy. Santa Claus. We found Santa Claus. We're gonna clickbait this video. Finding Santa Claus on the fucking road. Okay, pretend I never said that. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. We got leaves starting to sprout. Like, look at this, baby. It's officially spring. Little two-door. A little bit of two-door. A little two-door action, huh? Oh my god, that's forgot his name. It's like fucking Biker Dan or some shit. That's not what it is, but it's kind of popular around town. I remember that guy used to always pull up to the baseball park when I was in Little League. He would get so much attention, it was like fucking a celebrity. It was so funny. Watch Brian 636's Hood Eats videos where he does the where he gives history in Chicago. Dude, the neighborhoods in Chicago, like 100,000 people, and he calls it a neighborhood. Like, I'm like, bruh, my city got 30,000 people. Brian 636 Hood Eats videos, favorite series on YouTube by far. I fucking love those. I'm addicted to those. I watch like every single one in like a week. Every time I see him come out with those, oh my god. Tell me that guy just had a Bud Light in his hand. Had a boy! Do you? Lane closed. Why is that road work everywhere, bro? Hi, honey. I almost want to go get her mail for her. Almost. I'm a pogo stick. Look at that house. I want to get that house. Dude, I might get a fucking road bike just to mount on top of my WRX. It would look cool. I ain't gonna ride it. I'm just gonna have it flex it up there. I put this bad boy up on top. Look at that. You see that little shack over there? It's a liquor store. Look how tiny that thing is. I got a massive itch on my nose. Oh my god, 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 I got an itch, I got an itch, I got an itch, I got an itch, I got an itch. Holy shit, still got an itch. I got fucking hair. Hello. So we're getting my hair cut right there, Ruscio's, let's go. #1 barber in town. That ain't even my opinion, that's a fact. You can go fact check that. Homie's still passed out. He was passed out there 10 minutes ago. Oh, slow down. 2 of those things. People must be cooking through this road. Gotta be careful these days. Where I go to school in Buffalo, they got these little radar things. They take a picture of your license plate if you're speeding, and they'll mail you a ticket. They don't play around. Pick me farms. I remember when I was like 15 or 16, I wanted to work here. Dude, I was fucking tripping. It's because they like hire before anyone, but they fucking put the kids to work. It's like slave labor. I'm not even kidding. I'm pretty sure they get gotten in trouble before for it. It's crazy. Beautiful place though. If they were smart, right here, all these greenhouses, whatever you call them, start growing weed in there, because weed legal in New York now. Whew! 100 times the profit. Oh my god, that was so fucking cute. You see that dog? Oh my god, that was so fucking cute. I want to go pet him. Let me know what your guys' like dream house setup would be. Like what kind of area? Like land? Do you want to be in the city? Like what's up? Like for me, I want like 10 acres, like right out, like right outside of suburbs, like kind of still suburbs, like that type of thing. Because I still want land to do whatever the fuck I want, especially if I got kids when I'm older. Build them shit, build them racetrack, like little dirt bike tracks and shit. MT-07 spring shredding. Woo! We get out in the country a little more. We can go shred a little bit more too. We're not going over 80 today because I'm fucking freezing. You got a little bit sliding. Alright, let's shred a little bit here, huh? Huh? Quick 80 pull, no big deal. This thing's a... Oh my god, my shirt's literally about to get ripped off. I can't do this. Oh my god. The back of my shirt for a second ago was literally like touching the back of my helmet. The bottom of my shirt. I'll tell you what, we're putting way more miles on this bike this year. Woo! Yeah! Alright, yep, the shirt's coming up again. We can't be doing this. What is going on? But for real, if you think you'd watch my MotoVlogs, voice crack by the way, but if you think you'd watch my MotoVlogs, give me some suggestions. Comment, sub, like help your boy out. Give me that video ideas, because I'm new to this thing. I've been like writing down ideas when I see them on YouTube, but I could use a little bit of help. Look at the view here, man. Oh my. Whoo. One of the other best parts about riding, the view. The views you can get, just I don't know, man. I think it's just a little more enjoyable than a car. When you see a view like this, you're just floating in the air. It's like, how we do? We got the setup here. Look at that. All right, for anybody that's still watching, I really appreciate you. MotoVlog, man, we're about to be next Grammy Bear, I swear to God. If at any point in this video you enjoyed it, hit that like button, hit sub, go comment, share it to your mom, your dad, your friends, your sister, I don't know, your sister's boyfriend, like, whoo, help your boy out. Your boy MattyVtv, he's out. Peace.